now I'm here going to create headphone itself. So first the headphones like muffs and next to it will be the attachment. So for that I will create a mesh cylinder. So I will press Shift A, mesh cylinder. Okay, just a little bit move it here so that I can have a good view of it, and then 90 degrees, scale a little bit up. So I think this should be fine. Okay. Now, the only thing I want is that I want it to be its size to be more detailed. So instead of 50, if I will type it here 100, it will make, or maybe 120. So it will make it quite more you can say like high res from the sides. And then depth a little bit, we can decrease it. Shift D on the keyboard, X to create a duplicate copy of this. So we need two of them. Okay. So now what I'm going to do here is let's move them somewhere here up. Like I don't want it to overlap of my headphones itself. So what I'm going to do is that I will press Control I and H so everything else is hidden. Okay. Now move it back. Later on we can work on it. Now what are these parts? This is basically my headphones, like muffs, and this is the attachment where all the like poles, the wires and everything goes. So this I will scale it down. Scale it down. Okay. I think this is too much. So maybe scale a little bit up like that. So now I think I should hide this one also, otherwise this will annoy me. It might not annoy me later on. So I will select this, press H, select this part, press tab on the keyboard. Now I want to make this softer on the edges because it's muffs, just like I showed you like before. So I will press Alt on the keyboard, and like before doing this, like before selecting the edges, we have to go to the edges mode by pressing 2 on the keyboard, then press Alt, click it here. Okay, press Alt, Shift, and click it here as well. And then Control B on the keyboard. And then you can increase this much. So maybe 25. Okay. Okay, now what I want is that I want to make it look more roundish from here. Okay, from here it looks fine. So I will go to my edge mode again. I will make sure I'm in the edge mode, and I will select these all. Okay, so better is to go to the side view, snap here. Snap this view, go to the X-ray mode, select all these and go out of the X-ray mode. And then what I can do here is that I can either right click, subdivide, or easier is Control R and create a loop cut here and right click. Okay. Now if I will press S on the keyboard and increase the size, you can see that it doesn't look that good. So what I can do is to increase the size, to make it more roundish, I will turn on my proportional editing and I will keep this maybe smooth. Okay. And if I press S on the keyboard and start scaling it up, you can see like there is a slight difference here. The size is too much, so I will reduce the size of the proportional adding with the mouse scroll wheel. Reduce it. I think now this is fine. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is that I will press Control B on the keyboard to slightly make this softer. Okay, this much. I think this is fine. Press Tab, And this is what I got out of this. So this muff is created, it's ready. So now in the next class, we will work on the headphone body. I renamed this part to headphone body. So we will work on this one in the next class and see how we can work with it.